This is Scott the Fix-It Guy, and today we're going to be learning how to use the LG spring clamp pliers. They make it much easier to remove the spring clamp that goes around the boot on the LG washing machines. So this is the typical LG washing machine that has sprung a leak, and typically this leak comes from the boot or the bellows, and here we have the bellows removed to get a better look at where the leak exists. It's usually at the bottom part of the bellows, and it's usually a small tear that's caused by maybe some keys that got left in the pocket that pierced it, or sometimes just normal wear and tear. We get these little tears and we get a leak during the operation of the washing machine. So to get this bellows or gasket off, we have to have a tool that will loosen up the spring clamp, and this video is designed to show us how to use that spring tool properly. So here we have the LG spring tool that we're about to use on this spring clamp. We have the two different parts of it. Here's the actual spring clamp, so the notch part goes in this ring here at the top, and then the lower part hooks over onto the spring, and then as we squeeze the pliers, it's going to pull that spring up and off of the part of the ring that it's clamped onto. So it's pretty fun, pretty easy to either take that spring off, or later when we're reinstalling the spring clamp, by using this tool we can easily squeeze and lift the spring back over the hook, which gives us a nice tight seal. I think it's important whenever we do this to put a little bit of lubrication from the liquid laundry detergent on the spring itself and on the ring so that it can move easier, and then it's easier to use this tool. So again, we have the top part hooked into the spring clamp and the bottom part hooked to the spring, and then as we squeeze, it lifts the spring over onto the hook, or when we're taking it off, we can squeeze and we can lift it off. We also pushed in the gasket for making it easier to install. Now we're pulling the gasket back out, and then we can put it back together. Thanks for watching.